It's an incredible experience, to be here as CEO for an organisation where we've got an asset that's 100 years old today, over 70 services a week. The tunnel, is a vital link for export growth, for tourism. It's part of our sustainable future. So we provide a huge link for New Zealand. So to be here today, and you can see the people behind me, we've had a huge turnout of coasters, people from Christchurch, people from Auckland, turning up to celebrate what is a very remarkable event.
Fantastic committee it's been that's brought it to this. A very small committee, but really everybody has been passionate to see this day happen. And I think it's made us really happy to see people talking on like-minded things, the emotion when the train came in, and it's just fabulous to see everybody here.
And it's been great for us to share some of the stories, hear some of the stories, and connect them with everybody that's made the trip to come to Ōtira today. Thank you.
Day's going fantastic. There's lots of really enthusiastic people, happy smiles. It's been great.
So we've got a real community here. It's a beautiful part of New Zealand. And so what we provide and what our people provide is stronger connections, better New Zealand. That's who we are, and we see that right here today in Ōtira.
Ko te wai pau na mu